Hello guys and welcome back to my YouTube channel Theta Box. So today I get the following error notification while I try to play the Among Us, and it shows you disconnected from the server. If this happens often, check your network strength, and this may also be a server issue. So how to fix this problem? And this type of errors are mainly occur due to your mobile data connection or Wi-Fi connection not working properly. So first of all, check your internet connection if it is works or not, and also try this method. So if you get this issue, just change this Among Us server region. So by simply press this earth icon, but here I using the default server from North America, so I switch it to Europe, and this Europe server maybe shows any issues as just select Asia server. So I hope this Asia server will work smoothly, and if this method maybe not works, just clear this Among Us app data. So by simply long press on the tab icon and then press this circle icon. So here you can go to storage and finally click to clear this Among Us entire data. So once you done these processes, just restart your device and wait for a few seconds. So after the restarting is completed, just I try to access that same Among Us. So now this time my online mode is opening very smoothly and it does not show any other error notifications. So if this trick maybe not works, just comment to me. I give some other ideas to fix this issue. So for more tech videos, you can subscribe my beautiful tech channel Theta Box, and thanks for watching.